Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix hidden option not showing on iPhone Photos app. So if you hide some photos or some photos are added to your hidden folder and you discover that the hidden option is not available on the Photos app, you say if you check through the utilities, the hidden option is not available. That shows you cannot access your hidden photos and now you want to fix it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Here, I'll provide at least 3 troubleshooting tips to fix hidden options not showing on the Photos app on your iPhone. The first approach is you want to go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on apps. Then scroll down the apps page and click on the Photos app. Now once you selected the Photos app, we want to search through the Photos app settings page gently to see whether you have hidden photos disabled. So if you have show hidden photos disabled here, then the hidden photos option is not going to be available on your Photos app. As you can see, the hidden album will appear under utilities. So turn this on. Once turned that on, go ahead and open the Photos app, scroll down to utilities, and then you should see hidden. So I have it here. Then I can now go ahead and view my hidden photos or album. However, if the hidden photo is still not showing, then I want to try this. While you're on the Photos app, locate and click on the profile icon at the top right. Then, if you have the hidden album underneath here, make sure it is toggled on. If you use iOS 18.4, the hidden photo feature is no longer available here. So it will only be available on the settings app. So go to your phone settings and turn this on. So if it is not available under show in main menu, you do not have the hidden photos here, then it's not going to be here. You can now only go to the settings page and then turn on the show hidden albums. Last but not the least approach you can use to fix the hidden album missing on your Photos app is go to your iPhone settings to reset your iPhone all settings. So this will not erase your iPhone data, but it's going to reset your iPhone settings to default and make sure things are working right. Scroll down and click on General. Scroll down the General page. Locate and click on Transfer Reset iPhone. Now click on Reset. Here, choose Reset All Settings. This is going to reset your network settings, keyboard dictionary, handwriting style, home screen layout, and location and privacy. So go ahead and click on Reset All Settings, and then type in your iPhone passcode and then Reset All Settings. Once reset all settings, go back to the Photos app, scroll down to Utilities, click on it, then you should see hidden here, and then you're good. So that is basically how to fix hidden album not showing on iPhone Photos app. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.